Today I'm going to show you how to crack open a PSA slab the proper way, and there's going to be some steps that other people aren't talking about that are very important. First thing you need is your graded card, of course. You want a flathead screwdriver like this, and you want some pliers, preferably ones with like a sharp edge right there, so you can get a nice clean cut. You probably want to have a card saver and penny sleeve ready. So first thing we're going to do, take the pliers, and you want to chop off just this corner. So get it like that, and just pinch and twist a little. There we go. Pretty simple. Take this piece and throw it away now. Now you want to take your screwdriver and put it inside here. Here's the key thing. You want to go straight across. Make sure it's going in straight across. If you're going in on an angle like this, you're going to slip and hit your hand, or the case right here is going to crack and the screwdriver is going to go in and damage your card. Make sure you go straight across. Then once you're in like this, you can just twist the screwdriver, pop it right open. There we go. There's our card. Into the penny sleeve. Into the card saver, and we're good to go. You can also take your extra pieces. Usually just save them like this. And that's how it's done. The best way to crack a PSA slab. Nice and simple without damaging the card at all. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more.